Question number 22. Write short notes on design of database system development life cycle. So designing of database involves four major activities which are given as follows. One is conceptual modeling, data modeling, storage structure design, physical layout design. So just read it. This describes the application domain via entities or objects, attributes of these entities or objects, and static and dynamic constraints on these entities or objects, their attributes and their relationships. Data modeling. Conceptual models need to be translated into data models so that they can be accessed and manipulated by both high-level and low-level programming languages. Storage structure design. Decisions must be made on how to linearize and partition the data structure so that it can be stored on some device. For example, tuples row in a relational data model must be assigned to records, and relationships among records might be established via symbolic pointer addresses. Physical layout design. So decisions must be made on how to distribute the storage structure across the specific storage media and locations. For example, cylinders, tracks, and sectors on disk and computers in LAN or WAN. Next, SDLC system development life cycle. The system development life cycle provides system designers and developers to follow a sequence of activities. It consists of generic sequence of steps or phases in which each phase of the SDLC uses results of previous one. The SDLC is document driven, which means that a phase of the SDLC is not complete until the appropriate documentation or artifact is produced. Some of the advantages of this system are better planning and control by project managers, compliance to prescribed standards, ensuring better quality, documentation that SDLC stresses on is an important measure of communication and control, and the phases that are important milestones and help the project manager and the user for review and sign off. The sequential phase of SDLC cycle or as follows: preliminary investigation, systems requirement analysis, systems design, systems acquisition, systems development, systems testing, systems implementation, and post implementation review and maintenance.